What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Brandon and the channel is 540 Flips. Almost thought I was gonna miss the video. I need to charge my GoPro batteries up, but anyway, it is January 24th. It is Wednesday. We are 7 days away from completing the first month of 2024. Crazy to even think how quickly time has been flying by, but I hope you're all doing well. If you are new here, please consider hitting that subscribe button, give the video a thumbs up, and comment below. I don't know why, like, some videos I get has tons of comments, some videos I get, there's no comments at all. And I like the comments. I do these videos to speak things out, to share thoughts with you guys, to speak it out of my mind, to get it out into the existence of others. And it's nice having the conversations and, you know, just the talk and everything else. And I know sometimes people don't want to comment on the video. They'll message or, you know, private message or whatever. But the comments help. It not only helps because I enjoy talking to you guys, but it does help push the videos out and everything. So I do appreciate it if you comment. But if not, I hope you enjoy the video anyway. I want to throw something out there because talking about YouTube, talking about social media, all of those things, and talking about the beginning of the year, this is something that I have noticed, and I'm going to be quite honest. It's been kind of annoying. And if you are someone who partakes in this and you are watching it, no offense to anyone in particular. This is not to call any certain individual out because it is not placed. Like, I could probably name 10 different accounts and I don't really even personally know these people or anything like that. But the advertising that is going on out there, the shilling, as you will, or the pushing of advertised content or posts or whatever has been overwhelmingly annoying over the past couple weeks. And I noticed that YouTube itself has been pushing out more advertising. I tried to watch Shed Flips the other day, and they've been doing long form content, and it'll pop up and it'll say fewer interruptions for this long video. And I'm not even joking. It's like every 2 minutes, it's giving you 40 plus seconds of advertising that you can't even, you know, skip. So I really enjoy watching Lonnie and Candace. But that has gotten annoying, and that's not their fault. That is obviously likely YouTube adjusting how they're pushing out advertising. You know, YouTube makes more money on the ads and, you know, it benefits them. Or they're trying to annoy people enough to sign up for YouTube Premium. And I am cheap. I resell to make money. And I do not like spending money that is unnecessary. And I feel like YouTube is a free platform to create content. They make a ton of money, not just on advertising, but, you know, those folks that feel they are supporting their favorite content creator with either memberships or super chats or super stickers or comments and all of these different forms that YouTube allows content creators to earn money on. YouTube earns a hefty chunk of that money as well. And, you know, people talk about eBay fees, and let's just say YouTube fees are even more than that. So, you know, to put things into context, and I just don't feel like I should have to pay a membership to watch amateur content creators produce content that YouTube is making money on to begin with. So I don't feel the need there. But then you go over to, you know, you look at Facebook anymore, and it's just, it feels like more advertising than people, you know, like posts or groups that you're involved in. It's just ad after ad after ad. But then to top it off even more, and this is where things have really gotten annoying, Instagram. So Instagram already pushes ads in between posts of people you follow, but then it has gotten very saddening to see that many of the people I actually follow are only posting advertising for sponsored content. Like people they're sponsored by, it's just post after post after post now, daily, sometimes multiple times a day of posts from sponsored content. And believe me, I am not against people making money with sponsorships. I have another monetized YouTube channel. I do different things in the sports card world that does earn me money. I'm not getting rich off of it, but I get the side of earning some commission or revenue or sponsorships or whatever you want to call it, for putting in time. My point to this is, like, it's just annoying when that's all we're seeing. It is so much ads driven to us by the platforms themselves. And then when the users are stuffing it full with more ads, it feels like just a social media billboard and less of actual like content or, creative posts. Things like that. Interesting, entertaining, all of that sort of thing. And so, I don't know, I might actually reduce the number of people that I'm following, even though some of the people, I used to enjoy their content. I feel that they do sometimes have helpful information, but I don't want to see ads every day on top of the ads I'm already getting pushed from the social media platforms or whatever. So just thought I would throw that out there. Don't mean to be a Debbie Downer or, be talking negative, but just something that's been on my mind, and I use this to say things that's on my mind. So anyway, how are you guys doing in your first month of January? We all set these bright goals. We try to close out, December and 2023 on a high note, and then we roll into 2024 and said that we all wanted to do, all these great things, and we get motivated, and it's the new year, and we're here 24 days in. How are you guys doing? Are you sticking to those goals? Are you staying motivated? Are you accomplishing things or on the right path to accomplishing things that you wanted to do and better yourself in 2024 on? I will tell you, the answer for me right now is 100% yes, because I have literally been listing only from my death pile. And that is something that I have been very excited about. I have not sourced. The last estate sale I went to was on December 1st and December 2nd. I went back on Instagram and checked a message that I sent to somebody after I left the sale on December 1st, and then me and my wife went there on December 2nd. That's the last time I've been to any kind of estate sale. It's the last time I've been to, obviously there's been no yard sales. My thrift stores just aren't worth walking into. And I will say I went to the bins on 2 occasions, and neither occasion was I in there for more than 30 minutes, and both times I spent less than $10. And the last time I was there, I bought 2 items, and really it was because I needed to go to the area anyway, and it was kind of like, let me swing in there, see if I can grab a couple things real quick that I could flip, and it paid for the gas to go to that area. So that's kind of like what it was. It wasn't like the profit was being used with the gas money spent, essentially. So I don't even count that as sourcing, because it wasn't like I was spending, my normal hour and a half, 2 hours, whatever, in there to actually create a good haul. It was, spend 15, 20 minutes, grab a couple things, see if I could flip them, make a little extra money to cover gas, and, be on my way. And that's what I did. So how have you guys been doing? Are you sourcing? It's something I've thought about. You hear content creators out there a lot of times, especially your larger ones, that will say, I need to go out because I need content. I need to go sourcing. I need more content. I got to hit, I need the footage. I got to get that sourcing content. And it dawned on me, it was like, you never really hear them say, I need to go sourcing because I need inventory. You hear them say, I need to go sourcing because I need content. And I don't do a lot of the picking content. I have some footage. I actually, if y'all wanted, I could do it. But to be honest with you, there's so much of that out there. I used to enjoy doing the what solds, but I was putting so much effort into recording them and edit them and post them and everything, and then just people weren't interested. You hear people say, I like watching what solds, but then you do all the work and they get no views, and you're just kind of like, well, is it even worth it? So I stopped doing them. The picking videos, you know, I'm not the best at keeping the camera focused on what I'm looking at, so sometimes those are not the most interesting, or I'm cutting a lot of the footage out, or I spend a lot of time at one sale and people don't want to see 30 minutes of one sale. They want to just basically see what you got and that's it. So sometimes in those instances, it's best to just go out sourcing and maybe just do a haul video afterwards and show people what you pick up. So that's something I've thought about maybe for the upcoming year when I'm outsourcing. I don't know, we'll see. But I literally have just been sourcing the death pile, and I am at almost 300 listings for the month of January. Sales have been consistent. Sales have actually been good. It's been exciting to see that some of this stuff that I've just sat, like that I pushed to the side, I tried to ignore or forget about, actually is selling and selling really good. So that's showing that not just the exciting stuff that I would source and list and it would sell, some of this stuff that I got home and I'm like, why did I buy this? It's selling too. So it wasn't bad buys. And that's really, that grows your confidence when you dive into that death pile and you see that, you know, what you may not have wanted to deal with was actually a good buy. And so, you know, I would highly suggest that. Don't feel the FOMO. Don't feel that, you know, you need to go out source. I am sure most all of you out there has a good bit of a pile that you could dive into, pull some things out of, list up, and make some money on. So never forget about that death pile. It's also nice just to start clearing things out, you know. I've been doing that a little bit, especially on Wednesdays. I've been utilizing Wednesday to kind of do other things. I still list a little bit, but I try to focus on other things as well that are part of, you know, the business that need to be done as far as organization, cleaning things, you know, hauling stuff to the landfill, or whatever else I may need to get done. I've been trying to utilize Wednesdays on that a little bit. Doing the videos, it's allowing me to record those and upload them and not interrupt my day. So yeah, I mean, let me know how you guys are doing. Has January been good to you? We're about to close it out. We'll maybe recap January in the next video because it'll be the 31st. But you know, if you haven't gotten on that path yet, it's not too late. We all had these high expectations, these, you know, again, motivated minds. The mood was bright and everything. A new year, it always peps you up a little bit to want to do better. Don't let yourself fall into a hole already in 2024. It's only the 24th. We got 341 days left this year. You can do it. Just get that mind focused, stay motivated. Comment if you need a little bit of motivation or whatever. Just speak it out, put it in the comments, and you know, get it off your mind, because honestly, that's why I do these videos. So but anyway, that's all I got for you guys. Thank you to everybody who watched. Again, if you haven't, hit that subscribe, give the video a thumbs up, and I will catch you guys in the next one.